Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Mentimeter. Mentimeter is a great way to engage your audience, to collect data from your audience. You can create interactive presentations using polls, quizzes, word clouds, Q&As, and a lot more. There are 13 interactive question types that you can use to collect data from your audience. Your audience can interact using any device. And the great thing about this is it is free. With a free account, you can have unlimited audience and presentations. When you're creating the Mentimeter, you can have up to 5 quiz slides with 2 questions each. And it does have a Q&A feature with the free version. So I'm going to go ahead and show you now how you can use Mentimeter to start creating these interactive presentations. All right, so you're going to start by going to Mentimeter.com, and you can sign up for a free account using your Google credentials. And once logged in, this is the home screen here, and this shows you all of the presentations that you have created. And so to begin, we're going to click New Presentation and give it a name. And then Create Presentation. And here on the side, you have 3 different sections. So first you can select your question type. So you have a lot of choices here. You can choose multiple choice, word cloud, open-end, a scale, ranking, or Q&A. If you want to turn this into a quiz type competition, here are 2 templates here that you can use. You can also have content slides here. So you've got a lot of choices on what type of presentation that you want to use. So I'm going to start by using a multiple choice. And so then you will ask the question of your audience, and I'll just use the how are you feeling. Your options can be text. Your options can also be images. So we'll add images for this one. You can upload your own images. You can use the image library, or they also have a library of GIFs here that you can use. So we'll just do for this how are you feeling, we'll just pick some different GIFs. Let's go in and pick a second one. And you can have a little fun with this. And we'll select a third. You can add more options here. If 3 is not enough, you have the option of adding an image to the overall presentation. And again, it takes you right back to here where you can upload, use the image library, or use GIFs. Since we're using images already, I'm not going to use one for the slide itself. Here, if you want to change the result layout, you can do that as well. And then you've got some more options down here at the bottom. If you want to show answers, show results, let folks choose multiple options, you can do that down here as well. All right, so we have the question and we have our choices. And now you can go over to Customize. That's the third section here. And this has more options for your slide settings. When you're done accepting responses, you can close this out. You can hide the instruction bar, but the instruction bar is very helpful when you go to present this. This is what your audience would type in, and this is a code that they would use in order to respond to this question. And then you've got some different layouts down here that you can choose. If we did choose an image to add, it would show up here in this blue section. All right, and so those are the options for customizing. So now the slide is ready to present to the audience. And to share this, you can just come right up here and click Share. Okay. And now right here is the link that you would share to the audience. You can also share it out using a QR code. Okay, so now your audience would go to www.menti.com and it will ask them to enter a code. So they will enter this code. And once they do that, this is what they would see. Again, they can do this from any device. And so they can choose option 1, 2, or 3 and then hit submit. And that's all they do. And this is what you would see as they are selecting their answers. And you can present this by clicking present and show this on the overhead so that everybody can see the responses. You can add an additional slide by clicking the add slide button, and then you can go ahead and change your settings and customize those, and then you can add your content by going here. And then if you do have multiple slides, again, you can go into your settings and choose how to present this, whether you want to present this at your pace. You can also let the audience go through and answer the questions at their own pace. And that's in the settings menu at the top right-hand corner. And that's Mentimeter. Enjoy.